Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Have you guys noticed that when you look at the K-pop star, their skin is like flawless and very light, also a little bit pinkish, glowing. I always wonder, how do they make their skin pink and their skin even lighter than white people? How did they do that? Compared to white people, most Asians, their skin is a little bit yellowish. When you're standing outside in front of sun, your skin can be very bright. If you're inside, I can see my skin is a little bit yellowish. So this is normal and this is for most Asians. And in the video you can see my skin is very light because of the lights and also because the camera. I think this camera I'm using brightens my skin a little bit. Even though if you are in the no light environment, this camera still can shoot good videos and your skin is very bright. And the link of the camera is in the description box. The lights really can make your skin very bright. Look, my skin right now and the lights from my phone. See the differences? Pinkish because of the lights. Yellowish, pinkish. So how to make your skin pinkish without like all the lights, which is pink foundation. I never seen any pink foundation at the stores in American. You can find the pink foundation online. So this brand is 16 brand. I also put the link in the description box. This container is a lot of smaller than I thought. It is very small compared to a normal foundation. The original price is close to $20. Right now it's 40% off. $12 for a foundation. I think this is not bad price compared to very expensive foundation. They also have the green foundation and mint foundation and other colors. I don't know why it has oil on the surface. It also includes a small spoon so you can dig out the foundation because the foundation is actually very thick. It's hard to tell the smell. It's not a fruit. This is like a flower. Looks oil. Wow, I don't know why this foundation is very oily. So the oil even on the side of the bottle. This foundation is the most oily foundation I have never seen. Oh, this is actually cream. Let me try it on my face. Remove the fake bands. I also put the link in the description box. This band has been very useful. I have been wearing it a little bit painful. A little bit. It's kind of hard to spread it out, very thick. Let me use my finger spread it evenly. It's really brighten your face. Let me use a sponge. So this is the first layer of foundation. I think the sponge soak up the cream. I think it's better just to use your finger to apply it. So it takes time to blend well than the normal foundation. Wow. See the differences. Glowing, pinkish and bright skin. Second layer. It feels a little bit sticky, but after this I will apply the finishing powder. So this cream is not dry. Really big difference. Because it's kind of sticky, I will put the powder, peach cotton. And the makeup will stay longer as well. Smooth out with your finger. Ta-da! Finished. Big differences, right? And then I will apply another half of my skin. So I just applied on another half of my face and the whole face just look pinkish, right? You can compare my face to the skin on my arm, so pinkish and yellowish. You have to use finishing powder after you apply it on, so it will stay longer and it will not be sticky. You can see my face and my neck. I'm very surprised to this product. I highly recommend this product. No matter if your skin is darker, brown, this product will make your skin lighter than you have, very bright and healthy looking. This is not just a pale white, this is brighten your skin in a pink tone. Because the bottle is super small, I don't think I will use it every single day. I will probably use it like when I go traveling, conventions, going to a party, and also for people do for performers to make you look shiny. I'm very surprised to this result. It also has coverage. So look my ears. It's a little bit yellowish compared to my face, right? You can see my hand and the skin. Very different, right? A little bit yellowish. They also have different colors for different type of skin, and you could check them out. The link all in the description box. Just please remember, after apply this product, you have to apply the finishing powder because you might feel sticky. Try it out if you are interested. I am very satisfied. Bye bye. I will see you in next video soon.